Hi everyone, just a follow-up on my previous video about the AirPods Pro and the memory foam ear tips. I got a lot of comments complaining about the case not closing, and in my last video that was pretty clear. The case lid did not close very well. However, it's been a few days now, and the lid, I don't know if the lid has just gotten used to it or the AirPods Pro have just kind of gotten used to it, but the lid does close just fine now. You can see the memory foam ear tips are still on there. It's definitely, you have to kind of squeeze it just a little bit, but I mean, you don't have to have like a rubber band around it. It's not that loose. And as you can see, they're not going to fall out. It's secure enough. So, if any of you had any worries about that and that was a deal breaker, I think it's still worth a try for $6 for the ear tips and 10 minutes of your time to install them. It could greatly improve the fit and seal of this product. So definitely give it a try if you haven't already. And if you have any other questions, you can feel free to leave them down in the comments. And I'll put another link down to those memory foam ear tips as well. So hope that helps, and have a great day.